In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh a Smartsheet item and make sure you're seeing the latest updates. When you're working in Smartsheet, it's important to confirm that the information on your screen is current, especially if you're collaborating with other people or waiting for recent changes to appear. The first thing you want to do is open the Smartsheet item you're working on. This could be a sheet, a report, or a dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct item before doing anything else, so you're checking the right data from the start. If the page doesn't seem to be updating, the next step is to click the browser's refresh button. This is often the fastest way to reload the page and prompt Smartsheet to display the newest version of the content. In many cases, a simple browser refresh is enough to pull in the latest edits, changes to formulas, or newly added rows. If you're working inside a report or a dashboard, look for a refresh option within that item as well. Some views include their own built-in refresh control, and using it can be helpful when you want to update the content without fully reloading the entire browser page. This is especially useful if you're reviewing widgets, summary information, or report results that depend on data from connected sheets. After refreshing, give the page a moment to load completely. Depending on the size of the sheet or the complexity of the dashboard, it may take a few seconds for the newest data to appear. It's a good idea to wait until everything finishes loading before deciding whether the refresh worked. Once the page has updated, carefully check that the changes you're expecting are now visible. For example, confirm that any new rows appear where they should, that formulas are showing updated results, or that dashboard widgets reflect the latest information. Taking a moment to verify this helps prevent confusion later and ensures you're working with accurate data. If you made any changes of your own while reviewing the item, save your work. Even if the platform saves automatically in some cases, it's always smart to confirm that your updates are secure before moving on. If refreshing still doesn't solve the issue, close the sheet and then reopen it. Reopening the item can help reset the session and force Smartsheet to pull the newest version from the server. This is a simple final step that often resolves lingering update problems. That's the full process for refreshing a Smartsheet item and confirming that your data is up to date.